In the last video, we installed the Homebrew package manager. In this video, we're going to install Python version 3. So go ahead and open up a terminal window. I'm using iTerm2 application. In your terminal window, go ahead and type the words brew doctor. Add a few lines, and next type brew search Python 3. Notice we get a check mark next to the word Python 3. That means we can install this package. Let's add a few lines. Next, type brew install Python 3. It looks like we installed it successfully. Now, you might get an error that would state otherwise Python would previously be installed. If you get the statement Python 2.7 point whatever version is already installed, to upgrade to 3.6 run brew upgrade Python, go ahead and run that command now. So your command would look like, if you ran into that error, brew upgrade Python. But since ours installed, or mine installed fine, I don't have that issue. Now if you need to jump back down to Python 2, you can run the command brew install Python at 2. Next, let's check to make sure that Python was successfully installed, at least version 3. Type Python --version. And there we go, we have Python version 3. Now to finally confirm that it actually is fully installed, we can run into the Python shell environment, which is like the development temporary environment. So if we type the word Python, it opens up a little environment that we can edit in, and we can say 2 plus 2, and it gives us an output of 4. So I'm going to then type, to get out of this, quit, open close parentheses, and I'm out. Thanks for watching. We've successfully installed Python version 3.